Not long ago, we all witnessed a shocking incident at the BC Boys hostels in Dachepalli, Palnadu district, where senior students intoxicated with alcohol and ganja tortured a junior child. This horrible attack was not just against a child. This attack was against the very idea of safety inside our hostels. And now, today, barely a week later, another gruesome incident has shaken us. In Rajahmundry, a class 10 child was branded with hot iron by his own hostel mates. 5 days has been passed since this barbaric crime, and yet no action has been taken by the police. What bigger proof of the collapse of law and order do we need? Is this the Andhra Pradesh our people wanted? An Andhra where our children are unsafe inside their own hostels? An Andhra where cruelty is repeated again and again while the government looks the other way? This is not governance. This is purely negligence. And the responsibility squarely lies with the Chief Minister, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu. And what's even more shocking is the silence of the Education Minister, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu. When the students are tortured in the hostels, when the students are branded by hot irons, what right does he has to continue as the Education Minister? He has no moral responsibility left. He has no moral authority left. He must resign immediately. We, YSR Congress Party, stands with the victims and their families. We share their pain. We fight for justice. A strict action must be taken against the guilty. The hostel management, the officials who failed in their duties, and those in power who chose silence, they all must be held accountable. Children need safety, not suffering, and the families need justice, not neglect. And the people of Andhra Pradesh need security, not fear. And above all, what I said now, that can happen only under the governance of Sri Y.S. Jagannath Reddy Garu. YSR Congress Party will fight until the justice is delivered. Make Andhra great again with Jagananna. Johar YSR, Jai Jagan.